great thing. If you're waiting for that perfect moment, that perfect time is not going to happen. You know what you have to do? You have to create that perfect time and the perfect opportunity and the perfect situation. People getting ready to go to jobs that they don't like, jobs that are making them sick. You see that when you are not pursuing your goal, you are literally committing spiritual suicide. When you have some goals out there that you are scratching for, reaching for, that takes you out of your comfort zone, you'll find out some talent, some ability you have that you didn't know you have. You will never be successful until you allow your pain into greatness, until you allow your pain to push you from where you are to push you where you need to be. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of other opinion drown out your own inner voice. Your work is gonna fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. You're gonna have some ups and you're gonna have some downs. The real challenge of growth mentally, emotionally, and spiritually comes when you get knocked down. It takes courage to act. Part of being hungry when you have been defeated, it takes courage to start over again. Fear kills dream. Fear kills hope. Fear puts people in the hospital. Fear can hold you back from doing something that you know within yourself that you are capable of doing, but it will paralyze you. Every day you say no to your dreams, you might be pushing your dreams back a whole 6 months, a whole year. Don't allow your emotions to control you. We are emotional, but you gotta discipline your emotions. If you won't discipline and contain your emotions, they will use you. You want it and you gotta go out to have it. It's not going to be easy. When you wanna change, it's not easy. I am in control here. I'm not gonna let this destroy me. I'm coming back. You're standing up for your dreams. You're standing up for your peace of mind. You can decide that I'm gonna live each day as it's for my last. Live your life with passion. Decide that you are going to push yourself. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter what happens to you. What matters is what you are going to do about. I can. I can. I can. Your future self is begging you to show some discipline. Your future self is begging you to not to be like the rest. Your future self is begging you to work now so you can enjoy later. what you do every day will dictate your future. The person you will be in future is based on everything you do today. The person you will be in future is based on everything you do today, the people you hang around. Commit to feed your mind with successful thought and surround yourself with those who have same ambition. My mind is strong. I am strong. My beliefs are strong. They say I can't. I can. They say I'm not. I am. I am limitless. There's nothing I cannot be, nothing I cannot do, nothing I cannot have. In my mind, there are no limits. I am limitless.